waiting for you.
Okay.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another stream. We will be doing a combination of trading and payouts. There you are. Okay, go grab your chair.
Are you really?
Grab your chair, sweetie. Yeah, guys, we got a payout today. Huge payout. The biggest payout I've ever taken, as a matter of fact, in one single sitting. The biggest payout I have ever taken. Yo, what's good? Sid, Lou, Din. Market's more or less going to be a little flat tonight. We have CPI tomorrow. Only thing I'd be interested in is trying to place a recovery back above 23,700, but with CPI tomorrow, it's more or less flat. As you can see, the hourly is just wicking. Very choppy price action, and we didn't really see a ton of buying into the close. Are you ready?
I'm grabbing my coffee.
Did top one payout get approved? Not yet. It hasn't been declined, but it hadn't been approved yet. We're still waiting. We're waiting. The wait is on. I requested it live on stream on Friday. We'll see. Fingers crossed on them. I have a good feeling about it, but who knows? Who knows? Firm, man, once you get denied by a firm, it's kind of like you just never trust them, even if, you know, you're clearly not violating rules. There's a lack of trust there now, so we'll see.
Okay.
Everybody say hi to Alyssa. We're going to do a payout today. I did a $10,000 payout on Friday with, do you hear me sometimes talking about that one firm that denied me?
Top one.
Yeah. She knows about top
I'm
one.
aware.
Yeah, I requested another one for 10,000. And I think it'll get approved. It should get approved.
I think so.
I didn't do anything wrong. So it's kind of crazy that I got denied. But here's the good news. We got, and that top one's not who I trade with primarily. That's called Top Step. They're the real deal. This is Top Step.
Yeah.
That's who I had the live account with the big 6-figure balance, big trader. Tradeify is another one. And these guys are very reputable, right? So I don't have to worry about this payout getting denied. And this payout's actually $15,000.
You just got money everywhere.
Uh-huh. These right now, yeah. I mean, I have the Top Step, and then I have top one. And if top one, the thing about this is if top one approves that payout, it becomes easier and easier to get more. So it's nice. But yeah, so these are, essentially this is 5 accounts, and I can take $3,000 out of each of them. So what's 5 times 3,000?
You have 3 different accounts.
5 accounts.
Sorry. Say it again.
5 accounts, and you can take $3,000 out of each.
Oh, okay.
You know?
And you asked me what 5 times 3 was?
Never mind. All right, so I don't really know how. Okay, let's go to payouts. Let's hit request to payout. Sometimes I have to block it because you never know.
Okay.
All right, 1 second. Okay, cool. All right. Now we're on the request to payout screen. There's 1 account, 2 account, 3 account, 4, 5. It says maximum payout 3,000. You see that?
Mm-hmm. So those 5 accounts are all different amounts?
Like amounts
Sorry,
how?
is this a
No,
stupid
that's a good question. Like amounts, like they have different balances. Yes.
Yeah. And you can take from every single one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So all you have to do is make a minimum of $9,000
Okay.
on each of them, which I've done. You see that?
Yeah.
And no, your biggest winning day cannot be more than 20% of $9,000. So essentially, you can't make more than $2,000 in a day, and then you have to trade for a minimum of 7 days.
Why do they put a limit on how much you can make?
That's a great question. That's a great question.
I mean, I get like, yeah, no, I feel like
It's difficult. Yeah. Why do they limit us?
because they have to pay you,
Essentially, it's a business. So I mean, they have.
so they don't want to
Yeah. Essentially, it's a business.
be like having to put out a lot
Yeah.
just because.
That's a great question.
Okay.
Wait a second. What is this shit about?
So like, and if
Wait.
you,
Why are these growth 150K accounts maximum payout $2,500? See, I didn't know that. 5, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So they want you to have a certain amount just sitting there still, right? That's why you can't take out more than.
No, we can take, yeah, we're going to take it out and keep taking it out. All right, we're going to hit request payout.
Okay.
Okay, this is easy. No, this is pretty easy, I believe. All right, request payout. Apparently the growth accounts, you can only do 2,500 at a time, which I did not know.
I mean, I guess that's a good way to manage money and not like spend it all.
Yeah. Let me see if I click this, if anything pops up. Oh, this is so easy, guys. Okay, then it disappears. All right, we're going to request all these payouts. 2,500 plus 2,500. That one's done. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
So I was thinking we could teach you how to trade, and then you could have your own 5 accounts, and then you could take a $15,000 payout.
I don't understand most of the stuff you tell me, so I don't know if I could do that. I think I would lose all of the money.
Nah. Well, the good thing about these is you can't lose like all of the money.
You have a limit.
Well, like the way this works is you're paying this firm like $100, $150 in this example, or maybe a little bit more for these accounts.
Okay.
And then if you trade well, so you know how they say most traders like lose? So the business model is that most traders lose. So people that buy these accounts and essentially suck at trading continue to
buy.
They essentially keep the the company in business because they keep giving money, but they're actually not producing like good trading results. Yeah. And then you have traders that are actually good that, because they're good can.
Traders that have learned more.
Yeah. So essentially that's what it is. No payout request. So now I don't know what we do. Now we just wait. Let me check payout history. Okay. So is Tradeify instant payout or no? I don't know. Maybe I'll get an email or something. But yeah, I thought these growth accounts were $3,000 in payouts, but they're not. So what is the math on that? Let me pull up my calculator. $9,000. 14,000. Okay. I thought these were supposed to be approved instantly. What's going on here?
I mean, are they all instant?
I thought the payouts got approved instantly. How long does it take, y'all? Anybody got a payout with Tradeify?
Well, they're closed probably.
Well,
it's 8:30 at night. Don't they
It's
have
like mainly
then
computer.
it work like business hours?
Yeah, and that's a good point, but it's like mainly computer, I think. I thought it was supposed to be instant. I guess maybe it's not instant. But yeah, so that'll be, that'll be good.
You'll probably get it in the morning.
I probably have an email that I have to go do something on. I'm sure. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think we should teach you how to trade now.
I don't know.
You don't think so?
I don't know.
It's so easy. It's so easy.
I don't.
Instead of buying you like flowers, I could just buy you a 50K funded. Instead of buying you flowers for Valentine's, I'll just buy you a 50K funded.
You don't get flowers.
Sure, they have to double check. Yeah, I didn't even know Tradeify had any rules. I don't know. I can't imagine I broke any rules, but yeah, we'll see. Should be chilling on that. We just gotta wait. So look, this is what happened to the market today. Okay, so Liz actually was telling me the other day she was telling me to fade the market pretty much. She was like, sell. She's a bear. She's a perma bear. She was pretty much saying sell. What were you saying? Like always sell it? It can't go up forever?
What did I say?
I was saying the markets are at all-time highs. We were talking about something political.
Yeah, so I said you needed to buy low.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was like, did you buy it? Because you seemed like you were in a bad mood. And so then you were like, because I thought you were grumpy, like you didn't get in at a good time. I thought that's why. So I was like, did you not buy it when it was low and now it's high? And then I can't remember what you said. So then I was like, always buy when it's low.
That's a good advice. Buy when it's low. It's like very basic advice, but would you believe me if I told you people that are trying to like do this as, to make money, like do not follow the simple advice of buying low, selling high?
They're trying to do different ways to like...
No, they get emotional about the market and they're watching it as it's going up and they're saying, the more and more this goes up, I'm not in the trade. I'm missing out. And so they'll buy it up here.
Yeah, I'd probably do that.
You'd probably do that?
I probably would do that.
Or would you be patient?
No. I mean, I don't know. I don't have like... I wouldn't buy it at the top unless there's a way that you can buy and then you short it, right? Are you saying it's going down?
She knows the word short.
When you do that?
Yeah, short is selling.
So like when so you could do it that way.
It's pretty cool. Okay, so no, but you were essentially saying the other day, like, I don't think you knew that indexes go up forever. But yeah, this is what it does. That's pretty much. I was
saying it wasn't gonna go. Like, what was I saying? It's not going to skyrocket forever.
It does, though. It does skyrocket forever.
I was like, it's eventually going to come down.
It did come down. This was whenever all that tariff news came out. All the tariff news came out. So the market really sold off. Because there's a lot of uncertainty as to how the tariffs would affect the economy. Mm-hmm. And who we'd be doing trade with and what volumes of trading we'd be doing with them. So yeah, that affected the market a lot.
Well, yeah,
but it got brushed off, and now it's back at the all-time highs.
So you should have bought when it was down there.
Well,
you should have bought when it was down there during that bad news and everyone was freaking out.
I think I was buying it down there.
And then held on to it. Can you do that, like, for months, hold on to it?
Yeah. Yeah, like, if you bought that,
like, slow and steady.
Yeah, pretty much.
Don't they say slow and steady wins the race?
Yeah, slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah, but that's also the thing is, like,
I'm tired of seeing this pending word next to the payouts.
Well, it's, like, late at night.
Yo, it's good, fade. So what would you think this market does, Liz? Just keeps going up, right?
But it does go down at some points. You'd
be a perma bear. You know what perma bear is?
Someone who's
It's somebody who's fixed in their mental ways of just, like not being able to see clearly because they just want to keep selling because they're so stuck in that mental loop of like, okay, this market's gonna sell.
But it is going down. You can
No,
see
it isn't. It's going
You
to.
can see how it went up and then down and then
Where
up.
is it at right now?
It's like
at
a roller coaster. What do you mean? Up and then down.
But where is it now, though?
It's going up right now, but
Heck
it'll
yeah,
have
it
its time that it'll go back down.
It's going up.
Look at that. Down.
Right here?
Yeah. Or is that like if within a few minutes?
No, that was like last week or the week before last.
That's what I'm saying. It's always going to have a little down. And then it's going to go.
Yeah, you'd be the one trying to sell it the whole time. What happens whenever you say... You'd be the one to sell it right here because you're like, oh, it's going down. And then price goes up here. And then when price is up here, you're donezoed. You're out of the game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I wouldn't want to actually, like, be in it, but I'd be like, it's definitely
No,
going to
we should try to get you to trade, Liz. You can legit start trading with $50 if I get you a funded account. Guys, can y'all trade a Top Step? Can spouses trade Top Step accounts in the same household? Oh my God! Imagine if we were both. Imagine if we were both on Top Step TV. I could get you on Top Step TV for sure.
No, I watch you and I do not know
I
what you're
could get
saying
you on
half
Top
of the
Step TV.
time.
I think that'd be awesome.
No. I wouldn't know how to respond to the questions. Like whenever I watch you know what to say right away, but I probably would have been like, I can't.
Yeah, I think
this is your thing.
Yeah, we'll see if Top Step I know, but still, I think it'd be interesting to see like how you do.
We could do it for funsies, like
yeah,
you do a
like
practice account.
I mean, I have a practice account, but it's not as fun as trying to pass a combine. You know what a combine is?
A goal?
Kind of. A combine is like a combine's like where you have like you purchase the account, right?
Okay.
For like $50.
Yeah.
In your situation, this is what we should do this. In your situation, this is what we would do. We would buy you an account for $50.
Okay.
Okay. You'd pay for the account and you would be given a $50,000 account.
I'm sorry. They're giving you $50,000. How does that make sense?
How's that profitable?
That's what I was thinking. How's that profitable for them? Because how much money are you having to pay them to get $50,000?
How's that profitable for Top Step?
That's what I'm saying. Is it
That's
like
a great question.
If you lose it, you have to pay interest or?
No, this is great. I love how you're thinking though, because usually you don't think so well. No, this is. I'm just saying, like whenever you say.
I don't think so well.
Whenever you told me 60 minutes, you take 60 minutes to go. An hour to go 60
miles.
miles.
Per hour. Nobody taught me that.
No, that's a good question. Okay, so they do give you a $50,000 simulated account. You know what simulated means?
Like a fake.
Fake, Fugazi.
Okay.
But with that $50,000 account, there is drawdown risk parameters you have to trade within. So you cannot lose more than $2,000 on that account. Okay?
Okay.
That's step one.
And if you do,
Step one, and most importantly, protect your downside. Do not lose $2,000 on that account. Step two, make $3,000 on that account. That's not that hard, right? Don't lose $2,000. Make $3,000.
Wait.
I really think you could do that.
So, but why are they?
It's so easy. When you think about it, it's not that hard. Anyways, what?
What? Sorry. Why are they giving you 50?
They're not actually giving you 50,000. So whenever I put the word simulated in, I throw the simulated word in there. It's fake. It's a combine. Essentially,
it's a fake account, and if you pass it, then you can trade with them.
Yes.
Okay. Why'd you overcomplicate that?
It's a fake account. Well, I'm trying to explain it in, I guess, too much detail.
Yeah.
It's a fake account, and if you can pass the account, just like passing a test, you have to score like
then you get in.
You have to score a 3,000 without scoring a negative 2,000, right? And you score well by taking good trades. And then if you do that, yeah, you get a funded account. And then if you trade the funded account well, this could be you. You know, taking $15,000 payout on a Monday at 8:30. I think you could do that. Trading's really not that hard, and especially since you have me teaching you. Oh my God, you'd kill it. You'd totally kill it. You'd kill it. I think you'd kill it. Because a lot of people overcomplicate trading. It's really not that hard. Or at least just to see like how you do. I think you do. I think you do well. Are you a patient person? What are the boxes to be a good trader, chat? What are like what are the 3 main boxes?
I feel like sometimes you're not patient. So
Patience. No, I'm not really that patient.
No, you're not patient. So this is surprising that you can do this. Like, because you have to have patience. I'm not surprised that you can do it, but...
I don't have patience now.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
You guys, he's the worst driver because he gets mad at other people. I hate when he drives the car. And he makes it known to them that they annoyed him with his driving. He almost took out like a grandma the other day because she turned too wide.
Okay, here let's do like let's just do this. This is a simulated account. I mean, we're just chilling, guys. Overnight session is going to be slow. It's CPI tomorrow. CPI is pretty much the
What is that?
It's the inflation report.
Okay.
It's the consumer price index, the inflation report, pretty much. And so, yeah, just essentially that tells us how inflated prices are.
And that's every week, every month.
So it's once a month, and so I wouldn't say, yeah. I mean, interest rates are more of a factor in how that'll play out in the economy, but it's certainly something that, you know, the night before markets maybe just want to trade sideways because there's no clear.
What does trading sideways mean?
It's just trading sideways. Trading sideways is more or less you see how wide these candles, how large these candles are, how large these candles are, and then you have like this stack of just kind of small candles, and it's more sideways. It's not directional.
Okay.
Yeah. So traders are just kind of waiting on that important news to come out tomorrow morning likely before we get a real reaction. So, what was I saying before that?
You were doing a practice.
Oh yeah, here's a practice account. Okay. Let's put. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see if you could pass, and there's no money on the line. It's not a big deal. Let's see if you can make $3,000 and not lose $2,000. Just for shits and giggles.
Okay.
Okay.
But I don't have like.
You don't have what?
I don't have like any knowledge.
That's okay. That's okay. Okay, so Liz, what you have here. Let's go down to a lower time frame. I just want to get a general outlier of your like skill set here. Feel free to click the buy and sell button as much as you want. Okay. I'll give you a general line.
Okay.
To trade.
So here's a question.
Yeah.
So I see that the chart, like I can see the chart, like over there.
Right?
No, yeah.
Here?
No. Like where it's at right now.
Yeah.
Okay, live. So how do I like ask this? If I were to buy it, then I'm buying it like if I bought it like where it's at right now and then it dropped. Like how do you know if you want to like, you know how I was saying people like short it and
you're asking like how to trade.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, no, whenever I, like, if I were to buy it right there,
Okay.
and then
That's a
if
good
it were
question.
to go up and I sold it, I would make money, I guess, right? Because I bought it lower and then it went up.
Yeah, the lower you buy it, the higher you sell it, the more money you make. The higher you sell it, the lower you buy it back, the more money you make. Right?
So you sell, okay.
I think the best way to do this is assuming that the markets are sideways. We're moving up through 650s. Okay, so we're 20 points off the lows. It's hard to want to look for a lot of upside continuation. Yeah, I guess I'm putting a lot of pressure on you. Let me see what gold, because I don't even really know what trade I would take right there, to be honest. Kind of a coin flip. I don't know how long this Tradeify payouts are going to take.
We can just do this one.
Why don't
and
we
I
just
can
buy
tell
into
you.
this? So this is just a practice count. It really
Okay.
doesn't matter. Go ahead and hit buy 3.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
What?
On the wrong thing. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay. So we're buying into
Ooh,
green,
okay,
which
I'm
is
down
typically...
$30.
It's okay. Just give it a second.
That's a pair of shorts. Just kidding.
What'd you say?
That's a pair of shorts.
It's a nice push off 30s. Some volume here. Look at this. You're up 30.
Ooh.
Okay, take the mouse from me.
Okay.
Let's just let this run a little bit. Let's look for the pop through 60.
What is it? You want it to go past $60.
23,659 is where we're trading. So as we kind of approach that 60 level, that's kind of that next, it's not a key level, but it's kind of a 10-point increment in NQ, which could be a level you'd want to look at, because I mean we're at through the high 50s right now. So if we're testing 60s, what are you looking at, the P&L?
What's that?
The P&L is just essentially how much you're up or down.
Oh, yeah, I'm always looking at that.
You're always looking at that. You shouldn't really be looking at the candles.
Oh, okay.
That's okay though. Oh, this
And
candle...
the red line is where I bought it? 23. Oh, no.
Yeah, the 57 is where you bought it, right here.
Okay. Just that red line across the screen is where I bought it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
So what do you do in this situation if you were just like losing money like this? You
hit
would
the
just...
bid. No. Hit the bid.
What's bid? Join bid?
Join bid.
Now what is that?
You're gonna buy 3 more minis at 54.50. Okay, so that filled. You're gonna scalp this through the 60s here for a couple $100.
I don't know what you're saying.
You'll scalp this through the 60s. So as price continues to push up through the 60s, you're just looking to get... Yeah, there you go, 60s.
Okay.
Just be patient. Everything you're seeing is still strong on the buying side.
Is this a new
It's kind of
candle?
hard when you're in a range because things can start to look good and then ultimately just reject. But sorry, what was your question?
Is this like a new candle?
Yeah, it's a new candle. It's a great, yes, great. So that's a 15-minute candle. You see how it's 8:45?
Yeah.
A new 15-minute candle just opened. Yeah. So
Oh, okay.
now we have fresh data and a fresh
And then
candle
in
to read.
15 minutes you'll get a new one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So at 9 o'clock we'll get another one.
Okay.
And you can also go to lower time frames as well. Could you imagine losing $480 that quick?
I didn't even realize it was just at 100.
So yeah, on the 5-minute, this still looks good.
So if you were
It's kind of a high
Like-
entry for a sideways market, but it's still not bad.
So if you were in my
I wouldn't take this on my live account. But... What?
So if you were in like my position right now and you're like, I'm down $200, you would want to sell it and get out of it before, well, like, let's just say if it just kept going down before it like plummets to the ground and you lose a bunch of money, you would want to sell it, right?
Before it plummets to the ground? Well, that's where you use like certain structural levels. It's never just going to plummet to the ground. Now it can really start to sell off hard, which doesn't happen super often in NQ. But it won't sell like to the ground.
Well, you know, like that looks pretty far down.
Yeah, I mean, we're...
Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, imagine if it was just like down 500, down 800, down 1,000. Like,
yeah,
something like that. You would want to sell it.
Yeah, maybe
and
you'd
just
have to
cut
your
it at
loss
300.
There. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, if it's not holding this level as support, yeah, you'd want to get out of it.
Mm-hmm. And so you would just have to take that loss.
You just have to eat it, yeah.
Yeah.
You just have to eat it.
What's the most you've ever lost?
Like in one trade?
Your biggest...
Like in one trade?
I guess. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, in a day, like, have you had a bad day where you lost a lot, or in a trade did you lose like a lot? Like, what's your most?
I think 45,000.
That's
But now I trade with loss limit, so I'll never lose that much again.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah, you should always have that. When was that?
Yeah, it was
like a long time ago.
It was a bad day. I was probably an asshole to you that day. I was probably mean to you at that day.
You probably were. No, usually I can tell by your mood if you had a good day.
I had a great day today, and it wasn't really a mood thing. I was just very tired.
You were just kind of quiet today.
I haven't been. Yeah, I'm just kind of tired today. Even I had a big day today. I'm just tired, though.
People on the road annoying you.
Dude, the people on the road are so annoying.
No,
I hate going out on the weekends.
It's Monday.
No, I know, but it just like carried over from the weekend. I don't like going out on the weekends anymore. Too many people, man. People. Ugh.
No, he just doesn't have patience.
I think after the stream, you can trim up my mustache and my eyebrows.
I can wax like your eyebrow.
No, you're not waxing.
Shape it.
No, just use the scissors.
Well, I don't even cut my own eyebrows, so I don't really.
Okay.
Yours is pretty short.
Waxing would hurt, man.
It does, but it gets rid of it. You know?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not winning here.
No, you're not doing any. You're just being patient right now. You're being patient. This is over. So this is slow markets list. Most major institutions, financial institutions are not trading right now. So it's just slow price action. It's okay. It's okay.
It was just at 45, and then it went to like.
You worry too much about that.
I do. No, this wouldn't be good for me. I stress too much.
You read the P&L too much.
Who doesn't? That's like straight to.
I mean, I do, but not when it's.
It's probably not good for you to like look at that like all the time. Right?
I mean, it can definitely affect your trading.
Yeah. I could see that.
What is taking these guys so long?
They're asleep.
I don't think it's real people doing it. I thought it was like computers.
I feel like
she doesn't like losing.
People have to review it.
No, nobody likes losing.
No, I don't like losing.
You're going to win.
If you ain't first, you're last.
Yeah.
I see, like, I'm already getting bored of it. Like, I don't think, like...
Okay, think about it like this is a job and you're clocking in.
Ugh.
Like, how is that boring? How would that be boring?
Clocking in?
Like, if you could make real money, then how would that be boring? I mean, I guess it is boring, yes.
I don't know. It's just not moving much. Like, it's just, I've been in the red. So, like, I'm like, okay, I'm bored of it now.
You've lost your confidence and you're over it.
Yeah, now I'm down 300.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Now you're only down 200. This thing's going to flip.
How do your eyes not hurt staring at the screen all day?
I don't know. Yeah, no stop loss here. I think if this trade goes well, we should get lists on a combine just for the hell of it. It'd be something fun for you to do. You can trade like 1 or 2 micros. It'll be like a fun little thing for you. $50. What's the worst that could happen? $50.
I lose.
You lose $50. So what? It's a Lego set. Half of a Lego set you just bought. But hey, what if I told you this? And pay attention because this is important.
Okay.
What if you took $50 and turned it into $150,000?
Why don't you?
I've done that. That's what I'm saying as an example.
How about you keep doing that? You just keep that momentum and you keep doing that.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I think you can do it. I don't think I...
Oh, yeah, I know, Liz. I'm just saying I think it'd be fun to see if you could do it.
No, I mean, I can try it for fun.
Yeah, for fun.
For funsies.
For fun.
But, like, I don't think...
You're getting cooked.
Yeah, I don't think I could do this, like...
I should have just let you pick, because I guess I kind of put you in that position.
I don't think I could do this, like, all the time.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
Oh, that might be a good thing, though,
that's...
because you're just so, like, so patient that you only buy when it's a great opportunity. That might be a good thing.
What do you mean?
Dude, we're getting cooked.
Yeah.
Getting cooked. Should we buy more?
No, I don't hate his hobby. I get to stay home. He makes up, like, I don't hate it. I don't think I could do it.
I don't think I've set
really
up I don't think I've set up Rise with Tradeify. Yeah, I don't know. Hey, I was talking about this, Liz. Okay, maybe Liz won't do a trading combine.
I can try it for fun, but like...
But maybe she won't. But this, I was talking about the people in the Discord. What if... Because we don't have any friends, right? And we were talking about wanting to do fantasy football. Liz likes fantasy football. You would play it.
Yeah.
She'd play it.
Yeah.
We watch football.
Mm-hmm. Gone to games.
Yeah, we would definitely play like a fantasy league.
Are you trying to make a league with
I could do like a league, yeah. I could do a league in the Discord.
Yeah.
And then whoever wins, I could give away like an account, like $100 account to the winner.
Okay.
But the thing is, I know a lot of people would want to play. And you only really want to have like 10, 12 people.
And you have to like...
But I know about 60 people, 70 people, probably more than that would want to play.
You're going to have to like manage and keep up with scoring.
Yeah.
And all of that. But it's not a bad idea.
Yeah.
And it could be like a fun thing that you can do every year with people.
Yeah. I don't know how to set it up.
Yeah.
But we could both play. We could be me and you, and then like 10 people.
You gotta figure out the draft list. Who's gonna get to draft first, second?
I would be able to get to draft first. Are you kidding? And then you second.
Yeah, but that's not fair.
No, it is totally fair because we're giving away the prize. I think that'd be fair.
Is it though?
And we could roll for it, I guess.
I think you'd want to do it the most fair way.
Fair way.
Yeah. You know?
Because
right. If you're getting first pick every year, people are gonna be like,
yeah, people would hate me, huh?
This guy.
This guy.
First, he doesn't have any friends, so yes.
Yeah, I guess that makes I understand why I don't have any friends. Yeah.
No, we have friends. Honestly, I feel like it's just hard to make. No, I think it's just like people get older, and you go off and do your own thing.
Just passed my combine after 4 fails. $0 in my account. No money till Wednesday. Ooh, sorry about that. Can't wait to keep this up. Nice though. God bless you. Yeah, you too. You got it. Take it easy. Look at this.
Hey, we're going back up. We're losing less.
Well, you're about to be winning.
You jinxed me.
I think you can do the combine. Trader Liss. What would be your name? Trader Liss.
What would... No.
List trades.
The real trade.
No, it's too long. List trades. List trades.
Real trader list.
Real trader list.
Real list trader. No. I don't know. I don't think I could do this. I think you can do
I know that. God, you're silly. You recommend Tradeify. I'll let you know if I get this payout, which I mean I should. Everybody does get their payouts. I'm just waiting for them to process it. Then I'm gonna suggest them. Yeah, they're a great firm. My Funded Futures is also a good firm. Top Step's a great firm. Who's not a great firm?
Top One.
No. We don't know. I think Top One will give me the payout, so it should be fine. If Top One gives me the payout and Tradeify I know will give me the payout, that'll be $25,000 in payouts in like a week.
Lissa's future.
Dude, you're up, my man. You're up. You're running through the 60s. Okay, you're going to manage it. Go ahead. If you lose it, it's on you.
Oh, no.
Where do you want to take it? You want to take it in the 60s? You got an equal high here. Equal highs typically, they have a high probability. Equal highs have a high probability of at least breaking by at least a couple ticks. So for me, this is testing 60s again. I would look for the breakthrough 60s, which you're looking to get. If you hit that sell button, you'll cover half. Half would be, you just covered about.
I clicked it at 400 something.
There you go. Now you're testing 60s. I would try to let this clear 60s. I mean, I'd look for the 60s. Maybe you can take one, hit one. Okay, then so we'll try to maybe scale out of this as it pushes 60s. There's 60. I'd want to see at least 61s here, 62.
Where did I buy it?
54.
Oh. And is it right here? Wait, which one am I looking at?
Oh my god, it's coming down to 56.
Should I sell it?
Yeah, sell that shit. Get out of there. Sell that sucker.
I clicked it. Oh.
Woo, you just made $200.
Woo. That was stressful.
I mean,
I bought it for.
That's how easy trading is, guys. Well, you bought it at $54.50.
Right $54?
No. I mean, when you say how much, that kind of gets a little confusing. You bought 6 contracts. I think a mini contract trades for like $12,000. So the equity of the position would probably be like close to what, 80,000? If that's the way you're asking the question. But look at you. I mean, you just made $200. Like, that's easy. Oh my god, I actually have a combine.
I don't want to lose money.
It's not real money, you silly goose. This is the only account I can lose real money on.
We don't want to lose
This
money.
is the only account I can lose money on. See?
No, you can't lose money.
See?
Wait, what are you doing? You're just clicking buttons.
Oh, no. No, I'm not going to trade this, guys, because tomorrow morning we'll be on Top Step TV. 8:30 at the opening bell. I'm not going to trade this account. I'm going to let it... there's not a lot of opportunity here. So we'll wait for the morning open, and I'll be on Top Step, and I'll trade it live.
You're trading it live on Top Step?
Trading what live?
That?
With this account?
You just said I'll trade it live.
Yeah, trade it live. Trade it live on Top Step.
So you they
What?
they
That's a good
so
question.
they're gonna like show your screen and you're
Yeah,
gonna
they show my screen sometimes. Yeah. You've seen them show my screen.
but I think they like switch, right? Like through everyone and show everyone's.
Yeah.
So you're just kind of trading, and then they come to you and they're like,
yeah, they have access to my screen. If I'm talking about something, they'll go on my screen.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're just kind of trading, doing your thing, but also on there at the same time.
Yeah. Yep.
Fun. Fun.
All right, guys, that's the bulk of the stream. I wouldn't trade this if I was y'all, but that's just my opinion, you know. Wait till the opening bell tomorrow. I'll be on Top Step TV tomorrow morning, and then after that, I'll do my stream.
Are you gonna let me come sit with you for your stream?
I would. Oh god, I love when you come sit with me. I think it needs to be after I've already made money on the day. I think it needs to be after I've already made money on the day. It's so hard to trade with you next to me. I'm not gonna lie.
Why?
Just because I can't focus well. You know.
Do I talk like?
It's just hard. It's just hard making money. I mean, trading's hard enough. It's hard enough to like trade and make money.
Yeah.
But then, well, I have you next to me. It gets very difficult. But I mean, if I've already made a couple trades and I'm green on the session, you know, come up here. Feel free. You know.
You'll text me when.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, when things slow down.
Because normally I'm just watching off my laptop. I'm like getting ready for the day, doing my makeup, and I just watch your live stream. Because
you should walk through while I'm on Top Step so you can see yourself.
no, I wouldn't. Because I feel like that would be like rude of me.
Nah.
What if I like walked back there and like wait?
Oh, that'd be funny.
I have seen the dogs walk behind you, and I'm like, they're on Top Step. My cat, he's on Top Step.
Yeah, it's funny.
But, yeah.
All right, I think that's it, man. I think that's it.
What if you get denied for that?
Not gonna happen. I don't think this prop firm's ever denied anybody.
Oh, that's very nice.
Man, it's very nice, right?
Where do they get?
So it's the minimum.
Oh,
it's the minimum.
They get.
Prop firm shouldn't be denying anybody, but whatever. Yeah, no, this prop firm, I don't think they've ever denied a single person.
So the prop firms, like, they have people who. So how do they have all this money to pay you? Like, there's multiple people who like.
So essentially, it just goes back to the kind of the concept of like most traders lose.
Yeah, I know.
So what?
So that helps, but to get it started, isn't it like a lot of like people who are investing in it, and then they try to like get it out there, and then they have people buy it, and then but they have to like. How does a firm become Like, cause like, what if you have like thousands of people on here?
Well, most people, most of the people that buy the challenges lose. You know.
Okay.
So let's use Chad for an example. Chad in the chat, because he's making a funny example. Let's say Chad, we'll play into Chad's comment. Let's say Chad buys 3. Let's say for every, this is a good, okay, so they actually say close to 90% of traders lose money.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a big percentage. I guess it's like 90% of people can't be
I think
doctors,
a lot of
right?
people like try, yeah.
Okay,
like
so let's say, guys, let's say 1 in 100 traders. Let's say 1 out of every 100 traders that buy an account get a payout. Or get past the combine and get it to a funded level, then in the funded level make enough money to actually get a payout.
Okay.
Let's say 1 out of 100 traders get to that level. Let's say I'm the one. Just for example.
Okay.
And there's 100 Chads that continue to buy accounts for, let's say there's 100 Chads buying accounts
Okay.
for $150,
Okay.
right? That's $15,000 of revenue for them.
Yeah.
And that's all the people that bought accounts and failed to get them funded, failed to pass them.
Yes.
That's just flat revenue, and it's clean and clear. And then let's say I come along, and I pay my 150, so I've only invested 150 at this point. And then I get an account, and then let's say I get a $3,000 payout. Right? But they've still made, if that's close to the right ratio that 1 in 100 traders will get to a payout, then there's a margin there left over for them of, and I don't really know what the margin looks like. I don't think a lot of people do, but it could be good.
I get that.
Good bit.
I get that. I guess my question is, what if it was someone new, what do you call these, prop firms?
Yeah.
Okay, what if it was a new prop firm and you didn't have a lot of people on there, and then you got a really good trader and they made a lot of money, and they only had to pay $150 to get an account? So where would that money come from? They'd have to have a bunch of people.
Give me a number.
Let's say they made I don't know. I was thinking thousands, and then you didn't have you don't have a lot of people signed up yet paying that 150 or whatever. So
yeah, there's startup costs. You want to have a good bit saved up to open a firm. Yeah,
that's what I was saying. So then they would have to pay that person, but they would kind of be
well, yeah, I mean, you got to have, it's a financial company. So, yeah, you're going to have, it's a financial company, and the product is that they'll pay out money if you do X, A, and Z or whatever. So,
what if they're
going to have some startup.
What if,
capital.
That's what I was wondering. What if they had not that many people sign up? They didn't have, that money from that, and then some, or, a couple people or whatever, made a lot, and then you have to pay them. They'd be losing in the beginning.
Yeah, they need to have a cushion.
Yeah.
To let the ratio of everything play out. But they make more. Essentially, they have more people paying the fees to buy the accounts and not passing the accounts, and less people actually doing what I'm doing and taking payouts. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it just comes down to there's more of that number than there is of the number of people getting payouts. So that's what it comes down to. And then, yeah, if you...
Oh, they need 300,000 in backup.
Okay. Yeah. Then they need
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Like,
and then they have to pay activation fees. Like if you do pass the combine, now you have to pay another fee on top of it to activate it, and then
payout caps.
they'll split the prop. Yeah, they have.
Is that why they tell you, oh, you can only pull out this much?
Yeah, they have limitations to their risk exposure of how much they're actually going to be liable to pay out to people. That's why for me, like I said, this cap was 15,000. I've made a shit ton more than 15,000.
Yeah, you just can't.
I've made close to 80,000 on these accounts.
Doesn't that drive you crazy though?
I mean, if you continue trading, then you can eventually get some of the firms. You can eventually get access to all of that, but at the same time,
I think that would drive me crazy.
it would drive you crazy. But like when you think about it,
But then you'd probably go and spend it. So it's probably good that you do have like.
well, think about like if it only costs you like $150 to buy the account.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but then you have to
Still
put money
good.
in after you buy the account, right? You have to start with initial.
No. You don't fund that yourself. No.
They fund it?
Yeah, they fund it. They fund it.
That's nice.
Well, you're paying
I
them.
literally thought, well, I thought how you started off, like, I thought you always had to, like, take $20 from your bank account, put it in here, and
No,
try
that's
to
the
turn
difference
that
between
20.
prop firms and like actual brokerage accounts. I used to do that. I don't really do that anymore because this is a much safer way to go about it.
Yeah,
And
okay.
it really limits the drawdown.
I was
It
gonna
really
say.
limits your risk exposure. You know?
Okay. Yeah, that's how I thought it worked.
Yeah.
Huh.
So, I mean, yeah, that's that. Look at you learning about prop firms.
I know. A little lesson.
Tradeify will take you live shortly, but I think the cap is $50K to move over. So, I mean, I could take $15,000, and then next week I could take another $15,000, and then the week after that I can take another $15,000, and then if I get put in a live account, I can have $50,000 that I can get access to, and I can take that out. Nobody beats Top Step, though.
What does Top Step do?
Nobody beats Top Step. Nobody.
They're the best
They're the best.
in the biz.
I'm not even affiliated, but they are the best. Their rules are the easiest. They give you access to the absolute most capital. They let you transfer
a good majority.
a lot of money into your live account. Nobody comes close to Top Step. Nobody.
Top Step's the fave.
Nobody.
Interesting.
Pretty interesting stuff. What is the starting balance for the live account? However much you had in your funded account, pretty much up to 150,000 you can take to your live account. Top Step. Nobody beats Top Step. Yep.
We were talking today about how all the Vanderbilts,
The Vanderbilts.
they spent all their money. It was the grandkids.
Yeah,
that
we should
spent
watch a
it.
documentary on that. I'm sure there's a
I
decent...
honestly love, like, I always used to think that last name was so cool. It sounds rich. Vanderbilt.
Vanderbilt.
Can you imagine? It just sounds like a cool
The
last name.
Vanderbilts.
I like the
Where's that
Biltmore.
place at? Where's our house?
Biltmore, North Carolina.
How do you go there? Just take a little drive?
Yeah. That's what I was saying.
Well,
We
no
should
shit,
go.
that's how you go there, I guess.
Huh?
I said, how do you go there?
I know. It's in North Carolina. I think it's in Asheville, North Carolina.
Really?
I think I remember that correctly.
Is there a railroad that runs through it?
I do not remember, but I remember the house is very, very cool. It's got like 200 bedrooms.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be sick.
Very cool. They have like all sorts of different tours. But, I mean, and they have like all this property and then they have hotels.
I was
on
thinking
the
we should
ends.
get the boat running. I was telling them.
Oh.
What do you think?
Well, it's like the lake's low.
No, it isn't. Not anymore.
It's like it's not completely full. You want to take it out?
Yeah.
But we don't. The whole lake could have.
Blew 5 fundeds at once today. Sorry about that, bro. You got it, man. You got it. Maybe just trade one. Take a breath. Be very patient with yourself. Be very patient. Today was not an easy day. Just be very patient with yourself. Don't rush it. You got it. Trust me, you got it. Right, Liz?
Yeah. You know what I was gonna say?
What?
Sell the boat and get jet skis.
Jet skis are nice, but
I think it would be a lot easier.
yeah, but whenever I back up the trailer, you'd have to take both of them off.
That's easy. Neo. That's easy peasy.
Can't buy a combine. I'm not sure, man. Maybe go to their Discord and see what's up. I don't really know what I don't know if they're having issues. Well, dude, I wanted this to like hurry. I guess we'll dip off because I got to be up early tomorrow on Top Step. Yo, what's good, Doom? I was on Top Step with Doom. That's Doom.
Oh, yes. Yes, I remember the name.
I didn't even know he would call my streams every once in a while. That's awesome.
Small boat.
Cool guy. Yeah, small boat.
I feel like it's just the two of us. We could do jet skis. And, like, most of the time, one person's having to drive the boat, one person's in the back. But with 2 jet skis, we could have more fun with that.
That's true. That's true. That's a good.
You know?
Yeah. No.
I could get a pink one. You could get whatever one you want.
Double the engine treble.
Smaller engines, less expensive.
Smaller engines, less expensive. No, I want to get out on the lake. We live next to we just live like by a really nice lake, and we just live by a really nice
Actually,
lake.
we're further from it now.
Are we?
We're actually further.
Yup. Yeah, it's a wake boat. You know what? I don't really fish that much. I wish I did. I feel like I never really learned. It's just not something I ever picked up. I never golfed either.
I want to try golf.
I haven't done a lot of things. My hobbies are not expansive.
We should try golfing.
Golfing's really difficult. It's expensive. It's really difficult.
Jet skis for sure.
Yeah.
I say jet skis.
Yeah.
And it would be easier because every time we have to tow the boat, I have like
You
stress
don't tow the
through
boat.
the roof.
You don't. It's
I'm
easy.
in the car.
Towing the boat's easy. Towing jet skis are actually harder. Or backing jet skis up.
I think
Wow,
I would
look
have
at
more
NQ.
fun with jet skis.
NQ's going here. It's gonna pop 70s. I didn't really expect to put a trade on tonight. I still don't think I will. But this is more movement than I thought we would see tonight, to be honest. Definitely not Peachy. Definitely not. I guess I kind of gave it away.
I don't know how.
Sketch lives there.
Yeah, if he lives there, you can say you're like close
Sketch.
to it.
I don't think Sketch knows people know where he lives, but Sketch lives there.
Yeah, so if he's living there, you're okay to say.
Yeah. Buy low, sell high. That's the truth, and we don't have low prices right now, so I think we'll wait till prices come lower. Hopefully. Hopefully. Are we off? I think we're off. I think we're out of
What do you
here.
mean off?
Like, I think we're getting off.
Oh.
I kind of expected this to hit.
I feel like it's business hours.
How long do payouts take on Tradeify? I'm sure somebody in here knows.
You want me to Google?
I mean, I can go to their Discord. I didn't think it was immediate, but I also didn't think it took so long.
Let's see. 24 hours?
What?
Wait,
That's what Google says. Payout processing time on Tradeify depends on the type of Lightning funded accounts. 24 hours after withdrawal is approved.
Oh, so you have to wait for it to get approved, and then it's 24 hours. Look, I told you, 5 p.m. business hours.
Bro, what
Monday
takes
through
so
Friday.
long?
Friday. I told you that.
I've never seen something take so long.
8 a.m. to 5.
Okay. I guess we're done. I didn't know it'd take so long. See, these are all people getting paid out here. This is, you know. Oh, look, it stopped. Yeah, maybe they're done for the day.
Yeah.
Last one was at 7:55.
Oh, and you did it at, like, what, 8:30?
8, about 8.
8? You
Yeah.
were just 5 minutes too late.
Top one took their time. Yeah, I still haven't gotten my payout from top one. I'm just waiting. They are taking their time. We will see. Fingers crossed. I think so. I think we'll be good on that. I sure hope so. All right, Liz, we're out of here, I think. Fighting for a payout from... Yeah, it's shouldn't be that hard. Top Step ain't that hard. That's why I love Top Step.
I don't think it's right to not.
I don't think it's right either.
Mm-mm.
I paid for the account.
And you worked for it.
I want my damn payout. You're going to be
You
on the
did
new
it
Battlefield 6. I would love to be on the new Battlefield 6, but I'm afraid I'm just a little over the hill when it comes to the gaming. Like, I just get my ass kicked on all games. Yeah, my Fun and Futures is quick payouts. That's how they should all be. Maybe I was spoiled with Top Step. I never, like, you never had issues with Top Step. It was like, you know, you get your payout. Simple. They should give you your payout, right, Liz?
They should.
Because that is, after all, what they are. That's their business. Is they're selling the product they're selling is you pass the combine, you trade, you get your
did the
payout.
work. You did the work for it to make it.
Yeah,
You should get paid.
it's as simple as that.
Scammy.
It's like it's borderline. It's close. It's definitely like, I mean, it's predatory. I think almost whatever the word is.
Yeah. Or they mailed checks.
Yeah, I would like to play. Yeah, I hate losing, but Battlefield, no, it looks fun. It definitely looks fun. I would like to get back into it. I need to hook my Xbox up and just kind of chill on it. I haven't played Xbox in a while.
Mm-mm.
I haven't, right?
You're always working.
When's the last time I played Xbox?
Like, I think a year ago?
Yeah. It's relaxing, though. I really like Battlefield.
You should try it. You can hook it up on the living room TV.
The competition's so difficult nowadays. The teenagers that play it are just so... Their reactions are so quick. How long did you sit on micros before you did minis? I was trading minis as soon as I started learning how to trade, man, but I don't suggest trading minis. I trade micros exclusively. I'll sometimes trade a couple of minis, but more or less I trade mainly micros. You know, and you can have big gains with just micros. Starting a straight to payout prop firm, no trading necessary. No trading necessary. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. What's your minimum and maximum micros? When I got put in this account, it won't let me trade. Like, look, if I try to put on 16 micro See this how it says 16? Watch, it won't let me put it on. See that? It gets rejected. So I don't know if it's a micro scaling thing, but it caps me at 15 micros. I could probably call them and get it upped, but I really like 15 micros max. Perfect spot. Perfect spot. Liz was just trading 6 minis.
I don't know what a mini or a micro is. Like,
a micro is essentially
like it's smaller.
Yeah,
right?
like 1 micro is a tenth of a mini. So 10 micros is equivalent to a mini.
You see, I'm not good at math, so I just don't.
15 micros or minis? Yeah.
I don't think like this would just be good for me because I suck at math, so I can't do.
Yeah,
any
15
of
is
that.
good. 15 micros over minis. You choose your fate. I've traded 15 minis before. I have. It's not fun. I've hit my daily loss limit in I think probably 5 seconds at trading 15 minis. She did 6. Well, it was in our practice account. You kind of have to trade 6. We didn't want it to be too boring. We wanted to see like a couple $100 of P&L. So yeah, we traded 6 minis.
He's drinking the toilet water.
If I get ahead on the trade, I might add a mini on the side. I totally agree with that one. I really do like, yeah, I mean, if we can get a trade and then it runs pretty well for you, and then, yeah, I mean, sometimes, yeah. I mean, and if you keep hitting base hits, and Doom knows all about that, if you keep hitting base hits and get some profit behind you on the day, you can try to be a little aggressive with that extra cushion. Sometimes when you're feeling it. What was your question?
I forgot.
Yeah, I'll put 1 NQ and 15 MNQ sometimes. I'll even put I'll put 15 MNQ and sometimes I do 15 MES too at the same time, which
What
probably
is an
should.
MES?
Oh, that's a good question. So this is the NASDAQ. This pretty much is the tech sector of the indexes here. And then the MES is the pretty much the S&P. So they're both indexes, but just this is kind of more broad, and NQ is more tech focused. But yeah, they're the same kind of. You can see they're pretty similar. MES actually moves probably a little nicer than NQ. I probably really should move over and start trading ES more.
So I have a question. You don't trade
Yeah, some days you have to give it a guess, yeah. Some days. If I can get base hits and I can, get $1,000, $2,000 behind me, and I see that there is opportunity, yeah, you just got to try. You just got to, try to get aggressive with it. What was your question?
So you don't trade like the like how random people like have like stocks or whatever?
You ever blow combines anymore? All the time. All the time. All the time. Stocks.
Like there's like random ones. Like people have like companies, they have like their own. You don't do any of those.
Do I trade the stock market? No, not really.
You're not trading the stock market?
No, this is the futures market, love.
Oh.
This is the futures market.
Oh, I say you do stock market stuff all the time to people.
You're not totally off. You're not totally off. Like, I'm trading the indexes, which are in the stock market, but it's just in a different. It's just it's in the future. It's just not totally off, but you can say futures market.
Okay.
But stock market's not totally outside of the realm.
Oh.
Stonks. Penny
So,
stonks.
Futures. Like I don't.
Stock market's options is slow gains. I wouldn't say options is slow gains. I would say options. Well, I mean, if you're trading it respectfully, it could be slow gains, but more often than not, people aren't trading options for slow gains. Yeah, no, yeah. Just go to Wall Street Bets.
So didn't the Wolf of Wall Street guy do penny stocks?
Yeah, he didn't trade. He wasn't a trader. He wasn't a trader. He was a scam.
He
wasn't
just
really-
wanted the like firm. No, I thought he was.
He was a stockbroker. He was a stockbroker. Penny stockbroker. He was a penny stockbroker. So pretty much what that is just like a salesman. And back then, he was like the late 80s.
Yeah. So he was just selling.
Back
it to
then, you'd have to
people.
call in your order.
Yeah.
I want to buy 5,000 shares of Microsoft at.
That must have been crazy.
200.
Then if you had to like change it and you had to call them and they couldn't pick up the phone, then.
Yeah, it was definitely.
That seems like wild.
Yeah, it was definitely more chaotic.
Like you can't
sure.
just stay on the phone with them.
Yeah, it was chaotic.
Yeah, I'm sure. Now you can just do it on your phone, but I can't imagine.
Watch the movie. She loves that movie. It's like
I do
her
love the
favorite
movie. I can't lie.
I kind of wanted to put on The Big Short after this.
You've shown me that one too, I think.
Yeah, she
Is
likes.
that the ABC?
No, that's
Oh.
Always Be
Always
Closing.
Be Closing.
That's fuck, I forget the name of that one. Always Be Closing. What does he say in there?
He's like is mean to them.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm here and you're there. I'm here because of this, and you're where you are because of this. Like he's mean. You're not gonna get far being mean like that.
I thought that was an awesome scene.
I mean, it's. Oh, I don't like Pursuit of Happiness.
Oh,
It's
that's
too
such a sad movie. It's such a good movie.
They made us watch it in high school, and I was in the back of the class.
A, always B, B, C, closing.
I do like Wolf of Wall Street the most, I think.
Has your girlfriend? Yeah, she's traded. She just made $200.
I just made 200.
Look at this right here. Easy peasy.
$213.
It's that easy.
What can I get with that?
Shit, you can get a Lego set with that.
I can.
What is that? Is it called the Boiler Room? No, it's not the Boiler Room. What is that? What is that movie
They'll always
called?
be closing?
Yeah, it's
Let me
called
look it up.
It's not the Boiler Room. It's definitely not the Boiler Room. I like that movie. We should watch that movie.
Always, oh wait, no. There's literally a movie called Always Be Closing. Let me see. It's not coming up.
What?
The movie Always Be Closing keeps coming up.
Glengarry Glen Ross.
Oh, that's what it's called?
Yeah, that's the movie.
Oh, I thought
Glengarry
that
Glen
was
Ross.
like an actor.
Yeah, I forgot that.
Oh.
You can't sell shit. You are shit. Pack your bags because
Yeah.
it's fuck or walk.
I feel like that's so mean.
Like the way this is setting for a bull move. Yeah, this is I don't feel comfortable risking money. I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable putting money on the line. I don't. We're already 40, 50 points off the lows. More or less chop. It is a slow bleed. I'm not comfortable. You should trade gold. Gold is.
You don't like gold, right?
I haven't traded it in some time. Just because it is very difficult to trade. What looks like a harder market to trade, Liz? This market. Let's do this. Wait. What? Okay. So B.
That one seems like it's
B,
just going up.
which should be easier, right? B
Yeah.
or A. B. A.
I guess A.
Oh, sorry, that's not
or
the right
B.
one.
Wait,
B. A.
I'm getting confused on which one was
B.
which Well, you zoomed out before.
B.
Okay. Zoom out.
A. Which market looks easier to trade?
B.
B. This one.
Yeah.
Even List sees it, y'all. That's why we're not trading gold. That's truly, you say a roller coaster, that's a roller coaster. This thing doesn't know where the hell it wants to go. Yeah, gold is hard. I haven't traded gold. The last time I took, like, I was actually interested in like, you know, taking gold trades was legit here. And this was months ago. I haven't traded it since then. Maybe a couple trades, but it wasn't anything, really.
You said just put the charts side by side.
Yeah, I could have done that. Coulda. Yeah, this is a good eye. That's exactly right. I don't like the way gold looks. She doesn't like the way gold looks.
Looks hard and complicated.
It looks hard to trade, right?
Looks like it's doing too much.
It truly is doing too much.
It's all in one.
And as the young kids would say, doing too much.
You should say, I fear I will not trade gold.
I fear I will not trade gold.
I fear I will not trade.
Okay, so does anybody in here, we're getting close to the end of the stream, does anybody have an idea for this fantasy draft? Like, is there a platform we can use? Is there...
Oh, sorry.
Literally only took losses. When I was in the XFA on Top Step, I went over my stats one time, and my win rate on gold was 12%. I mean, it was bad. You know, my win rate on gold was 12%. I remember.
That's good.
Yeah. No, it's not. It's horrible.
Well, you're not at, like, you're above 10. You gotta take, you gotta look at everything positive, you know? 12's better than 5 or 1. You know?
If you have a 1%
That's
win rate, you're going to get smoked in the market.
yeah, but 12's still like you got past 10.
No, I was getting smoked with 12% win rate.
Yeah, but it's not the absolute worst.
No, it's bad. You have to have at least.
What if you can't have a 2% win rate? You know what I mean?
You'd get killed. You'd get eaten alive.
Understand that, but like 12 did better. I'm just trying to help you.
2%
think of, like,
win rate?
That's bad.
That means for every 100 trades you take, you only win 2 of them. Could you imagine taking 100 trades and only winning 2 trades?
Everyone has to start somewhere.
No, you get smoked. I don't even think the worst trader in the world is that bad.
No,
I don't even think you can try to do that bad.
No, I was just saying, like, you did bad, but you weren't the worst.
That was pretty bad. I'm sure I was probably one of the worst traders at that time when I traded gold. Gold's not easy, man.
I'm not saying 12's like great, but it's
okay,
not the
sweetie,
worst.
do you know? Okay, there's 3 major. Actually, there's 4. Let's just do 3. There's 3 major metal markets in the futures.
Gold.
Okay.
Don't tell me.
I'm not gonna tell you. I think you can do this.
Gold, silver.
Whoa, silver. Yes, silver. There's your silver chart.
You said there's 3?
There's actually 4, but go ahead and do 3.
Main ones?
Yeah, go ahead and do your third.
Is there a bronze or something?
Close. It's not really called bronze.
Is it like
it's kind of the same color.
Copper?
What?
I was gonna say copper at first, but then I was like, no,
copper.
that's wrong.
Look, there's your copper chart. Oh my god. What about this market? Would you sell this market or buy this market, love? What do you think? Would you sell it or buy it? If your life is on the line, if this thing had to go lower or higher, what's your coin toss?
Lower is buying.
No, just do you think this thing would go lower, down or up? Down or up? If you had to guess.
Okay. Let me see. How do you?
You can drag the screen. You can go over here and scroll up, and it'll vertical. She's getting into deep technical analysis. You can scroll closer. But look at this. I mean, look at this, right? That's a lot of selling.
Yeah.
And then down here, it's in a very tight range. There's no buying presence.
But what goes down must come up. So it's going to go up. Because you can't stay at rock bottom forever. You got to go up at some point.
Mama always said rock bottom is your lowest.
It's temporary, and you're going to go up.
Yeah, this thing's definitely on rock bottom at the moment.
Yeah, it's going through a rough time right now, but it will go up.
No, you're probably right. It probably will go up. I don't know much about how copper trades. I don't know if
either.
there's certain balance in Forex or I don't know how that currency works with that. I don't know. You might be right, Doom, for all I know. I do know that looks like hell. It's hard to want to buy that. Yeah, and then there's one more. Can you guess it? I can't even really trade it. I guess it's...
Gold, silver, copper. What else would there be? Gold, silver, copper. I keep wanting to say bronze, but that's
No,
not...
it's platinum.
Oh, platinum.
But I don't really trade
Oh,
platinum.
I would not have guessed that.
Speaking of metals, did y'all know what I used to do before I was a trader? Can you guess? I worked at a steel manufacturing plant.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't deal with gold. Didn't deal with copper.
You did.
I dealt with I did deal with chrome. I dealt with I don't know what other steel alloys there are, but there's a lot of steel pipes.
Yep. Used to do that.
Yeah.
And then he lost his job in COVID.
Yeah, I did.
It wasn't your fault though. It was COVID.
Yeah.
The whole thing shut down.
Yeah. Pretty much.
So.
No, I was a steel manufacturing plant guy. Galvanized, I think. I don't know. I don't think galvanized. Really, all I did was work on a
You had a little
bandsaw. There was a big bandsaw machine. I would cut pipe all day.
Mhm. You would get up early.
Like 4 a.m.
And most of the time, you were honestly running late. You were running late most of the time.
Yeah, I would. Pretty much. Okay. It's 10 p.m. I gotta be up at 8 tomorrow, which is... I don't really usually wake up that early.
Mm-mm.
Time to dip. Hopefully, this is the nice thing. I can wake up tomorrow, and this payout will be there, and I'll be like, yes.
Yes.
And then hopefully top one follows up.
Yes.
Hopefully top one follows what we should be doing, and then that'll be like $25,000 payout. Then I'll be happy camper.
And then you can look at engagement rings.
Yes. Time you be on Top Step 8 a.m. They gotta put me back on with Doom. I'm sure Doom will be on. I don't know. Maybe I think Doom was on today. I don't know. I think he was. Maybe. Yeah, I think he was on with Chike or whatever. Yeah. Okay, so I'll be on tomorrow morning, and I'll do a stream after that, and then I'll keep you updated on these payouts. I will be out of here. Okay, peace. Peace. I'm gonna have a chocolate milk. I'm gonna have a glass of chocolate milk. Good night. Probably don't trade this, but once again, one man's opinion. I will see y'all tomorrow, guys. Be patient, wait for your setups, and hit. Okay, y'all. All right, Jeff. Peace. See you, Doom. All right.